Hey there, beautiful weirdos. Wait until you see what I have to show you. I have been keeping this a secret for too long and it's killing me inside. Okay, so Dipalicious is launching right now this gel art liner palette, and it's all HEMA free. I cannot wait to show you this collection. Oh my God. We're gonna dive in. I'm gonna show you all the things, but this packaging, can you even? I was impressed out the gate. I'm gonna show you all the things. I'm gonna swatch out all of the colors. I'm gonna do some nail art, and you're gonna see all the things, all the stuff, hear all my opinions. And spoiler alert, I am literally obsessed. So let's get into some swatches. Here is the first color. This is a very rich gold. You're gonna notice real quick when you see me swatch out all of these colors, there are 12. Did I say that already? 12 colors. And this whole palette, this whole collection, 12 colors, is $70. What? I have checked price points on a lot of other brands' gel liner sets. This is well below what I have seen. I don't know how she did it for this price, but I have a feeling this is going to sell out very quick. Here is the silver. I'm just curing in between for like 10 seconds so I don't run anywhere, but these have a nice opacity and a nice viscosity to them. They're not runny at all, as you're going to see when I do my nails a little bit later. Here is the red. You guys should know two things going into this. I am not affiliated with Dipalicious. I love her with my whole entire heart. I've worked with her a lot in the past and she is sponsoring this video, but I am not affiliated. I don't make a commission, nothing. So I do have a discount code for her, which I will leave down in the description box in case you feel like heading over to Dipalicious's website and checking out this collection. But before you do that, hang tight because I'm going to get dip on my nails here in a minute. I'm going to do it off camera because you see me dip a million times. If you want to see a video on how I dip, I'll leave that up in the cards or down in the box. But wait till you see the color that I'm going to put on my nails, the dip color. I have no words. I have no words because Dipalicious never ceases to impress me. Did you see me get the orange on? I got the orange on the swatch. Now we're getting in with the yellow. These are so vibrant and so beautiful. And I can really see myself using these very often. Incredibly often, especially the white, the black, the silver, and the gold. All the colors are gorgeous, but those staple colors, I just feel will get so much use. And I did play a little bit with the black, the silver, and the lavender, which you're gonna see coming up. Oh my gosh. So here is that gorgeous deep green, so saturated. I cannot. The blue, stunning. This is like the perfect royal blue for me. Unbelievable. What I can tell you also, here's what I appreciate so much about gel art liners. You've seen me do gel nail art 1.5 million times. And you know, the colors that I use are fine. They're all gel polishes that I use with a brush. But, and here's the purple. This lavender, I'm not a purple person, but it's probably my favorite color in this entire thing. Anyway, so when you do nail art with gel polish and a nail art brush, you have to clean off a palette, you have to clean off your brush. The whole thing just takes a little bit longer because of all these extra steps. This completely negates the need for a nail art brush, a nail art palette, less stuff you gotta buy, less stuff you gotta clean, less steps you gotta take, which means less money you gotta spend and less time you gotta spend. Here is the white. The white is so opaque. I was shooketh. But wait until you see the black. Black is a strange creature because typically blacks are on the sheerer side because they need to cure and there's the light stuff, or they're super opaque and they don't cure well. Those are the two experiences I've had with black gel polish. However, you're going to see me play with this black gel polish here in a minute, and I had zero problems. So I got the dip on the nails, but pause for reaction. This is one of Dipalicious's glows. This is Moonbeam. Wait till you see this glow. It is insane. Ready for this? Bam. And this is not in pitch blackness. I'll have those pictures at the end for you. This is just with my ring light off. That's it. gorgeous. Okay, so now that I've gotten the dip on my nails, we're gonna go in. I'm gonna start with the lavender. I had no real game plan here. I had an idea in my head of doing something that was kind of abstract-ish, like a color block, but abstract color block, so imperfect. I'm just gonna throw this on in a random roundabout way on one half of the nail, or not half, like a third. Kind of like a third of the nail. And I'm gonna kind of color block this out. So I'm gonna do lavender on this side. I'm gonna leave the white in the center. I'm gonna do the black on the other side. And then I'm gonna line both sides with that silver. And it was so effortless and easy. And they cured beautifully. Because as I mentioned, black especially, I mean, any opaque color can have these issues, but black especially seems to cure in a funny way, or not cure completely. But as you're gonna see at the end of the video, I had zero wrinkling, everything cured beautifully. I cured each color for 30 seconds on their own, and then a minute at the end just to make sure they had enough baking time. And then I'm gonna top coat, and it's so incredibly easy. I did cure that for 30 seconds, as I mentioned, and as you can see, I had zero issues. It cured 100%. It was not wrinkly, no problems. I was super impressed. But black is another story, so we're gonna see how this does on another third of the nail. Could not have asked for a better result. Cured perfectly, zero wrinkling. I'm kind of shooketh here. I don't know, Miss Dipalicious. What is the sorcery? I need to know all the things. Okay, so now that I've gotten those two colors on, I'm gonna do just a thin outline, if you will, with the silver for a little bit of a pop. And these brushes, I cannot say enough good things about them. They hold a good amount of polish. So if you're coloring in like I did with the color blocks, you can color it in fairly quickly, but still remain detailed. But they're very thin and precise. So I can do these little detail lines and not have a very thick and goopy application. I am so impressed. Not that I expected anything less. I have loved every single thing that Dipalicious has ever made. You guys probably know I rave about her builder gel. It is my favorite thus far. Her top coat, as you're gonna see later, super glossy and beautiful. And here's another thing that I was slightly concerned about, and you guys might have had this experience too. If you've used colors, gel colors that were on the opaque side and had issues curing, you may have had the experience of going to top coat your nails when you're done with your gel colors and had the colors kind of run a little bit or smear. Have you ever had that happen? Because I've had that happen, especially over a white nail, then you just ruin the whole thing. But you're gonna see when I go to top coat these nails, and I didn't clean anything off. I pulled them out of the oven lamp, after I cured the colors, and went right in with my gel top coat. Nothing moved. Nothing moved. I know Dipalicious is a dip company, and I do adore her dip powders, obviously. However, she seems to really excel with the gels, and I hope and pray, and Miss Ma'am, if you're listening, will you please consider doing some more of these gel liner collections with all the colors? I know you did a lot. 12 is a good palette, but I want everything in between. So please come up with more. I need all of them. I will literally yeet all of my other gel polishes, gone, because I don't do gel manicures. I use it really just for nail art. I will yeet them all, and I will exclusively use your gel liners for all of my nail art. So as you can see, I'm moving right along with my second nail. I did my lavender on the bottom this time, a little black on the top or bottom, I don't know, near the cuticle area, and lavender at the free edge. I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to give these a cure, and then I'm going to line them with this silver. Then I'm going to do my pinky nail kind of the same way that I did my middle nail, but opposite. So I'm going to do lavender on the inside and then black on the outside. Then we're going to get into top coat, and I'll tell you all about that. So these are fresh out of the oven, looking smashing. And now we're going to get in with top coat, and we're going to see how this goes. This is the Dipalicious top coat, of course, gel top coat. And I am obsessed with her gel top coat, especially her matte. If y'all are looking for a good matte gel top coat, Dipalicious. I mean, her glossy is gorgeous too, but I've never used a matte quite like Dipalicious. It's pretty incredible. So per my usual top coat routine, I'm going to coat the free edge of all of the nails to seal everything in. This will help prevent against lifting. If you guys have gel top coat peeling problems, I would highly recommend you throw on a coat of either gel base first or use a gel primer. That will help adhere your top coat to your nail. But you know me, I don't keep nails on very long, although I kind of wish I could wear this set for a good minute because it's so pretty. But we're going to go right in with the gel top coat, and as you can see, I glided right over that black gel polish. Nothing moved. Nothing. No pigment anywhere. I'm going to say it. I absolutely adore these liners. I 110% recommend it. 10 out of 10 for me. MK stamp of approval. If you are looking for some good HEMA-free gel liners, grab them. Grab the top coat too. All of her gels are HEMA-free. She is one of the few companies that manufactures gels that I trust with my whole entire heart. And while you're there, if you feel the need to check out some of her dip stuff too, her liquids are super thin and her powders are so soft. She has a few of my favorite dip powders ever of all time. Her navy velvet is absolutely stunning. Not to mention, all of her white glows are the easiest whites to work with ever of all time. And the glow is insane, as you're going to see here in just a bit. So I'm going to finish up this top coat, get it cured for a full minute as my cat scratches in her litter box. Perfect timing, Negan. And I'm going to come back. I'm going to show you the glow, and I'll give you all my final thoughts. So here's the finished look. I am obsessed, and stick around for the glow. It's coming. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you're going to go and grab them, or if you did already, if you paused the video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll catch you in the next one. Love you. Bye.